Get your head out of there. Come on, what are you doing? You know better, you goofball. I got Tyler's catalyst in the shop here for a lot of stuff. Big build. You can zoom in back there. I'll punch in for you. All kinds of stuff. Huge build, right? So I pushed a bunch of preseason stuff out to get this thing in here and hopefully get everything done in time for our first ride in Canada coming up. All kinds of stuff. But before we dig into that and get into today's video and today's segment on what we're doing with this, I gotta go and clean it because it's been in Buddy's basement for a while and it's pretty dirty. So I gotta clean it, get everything set up, clean the shop, do some rearranging stuff, stage everything up, and then we'll get into what I'm doing tomorrow or what this video is about. So. Thanksgiving Day kind of build introduction bonus video for you guys here. I think I'm putting this out Thanksgiving Day. Either way, a lot of cool stuff that's all gonna go into this hot rod right here. If you guys have followed the channel for a while, you remember last season, beginning of the season, myself and my buddy Tyler picked up 2 Catalyst 858s. I got an RXC. He picked up this 129 Sno-Pro you see here. With that, if you stayed up with the channel and followed along the season, you know that we went through a lot of R&D, did some shock development and valving changes and stuff with Andy Wenslaff over at Wenslaff Performance. Worked with Will at Velocity Sled Performance on working on clutching packages and some tuning stuff and all that. And just been refining the packages, and those should all be pretty much ready to go beginning of the season, January era. But with that said, we want to keep going, we want to keep improving, and luckily, we've got a lot of cool stuff here that we're going to be working on, stuffing into this thing to just test and keep going in that same direction, but even more drastic, right? So with belt stuff and belt temps and kind of RPM fade, if you want to call it that, the secondary clutch alignment is not great. The eccentric bearing on the belt driver side kind of allows for some misalignment with the secondary and the primary in terms of them remaining true to each other. So to fix that, the guys over at BD Extreme, Black Diamond Extreme, and Speed Shop Inc. have come out with this amazing belt drive assembly here that switches over to a traditional tensioner. It locks the top of the jack shaft in the proper orientation to stay true and parallel with the primary. So that's all good. That's huge for bringing belt temps down and maintaining consistency just in that alone. So I'm really excited to get that onto the sled. That will be the first step. The first video coming out in this build series will be on the belt drive setup. From there, we have never been, I hate to say this, we've never been thrilled with the rear skid in this sled. The front arm and everything works really well there. It's the same long torque arm as the RXC, but the rear arm, we just can't really get it where we want it for the broad window of riding that we're doing. We've got it very close, but it's just not what we know it could be with something like this Pro-CC stuffed underneath of it, right? So that's what we're trying. We're gonna take a Polaris Pro-CC, a 129, we're gonna do the high gear linkage, we're gonna do some long tail springs. Andy over at Wenslaff Performance got us these brand new Walker Evans shocks. He can get Walker Evans brand new, great prices, go through them, do his valving, all that stuff. So if you guys have a Polaris and you wanna upgrade your shocks, go see Andy. He can get the hookup on all that stuff. If you're a cat guy and this all works out and you end up wanting to go this route, also he's gonna be your guy because he's gonna be the one helping us with all the valving on this whole package here. So the Pro-CC is going to be pretty interesting. I don't think it's going to be incredibly hard to fit that skid into this sled. I've done some rough measurements on torque arm distances and things like that compared to this chassis, some height measurements, some basic stuff, and it looks like it's going to be relatively straightforward. And I'm really curious to see how that all brings this package together because the bones of this machine are so good. We just hope that we can make it even better by stuffing that thing in there. We've got some Ice Age rails for it. Again, high gear stuff, long tails, all that good stuff that we've been developing on the Polaris side, we're gonna put into this skid and then stuff it underneath this thing. So that'll be part 2 of the video series. First one, belt drive assembly, swapping all that out. Part 2 will be doing the whole skid swap and the rails and all that and getting that fit up in here. And then part 3, it's time to make some more power. So to make more power, we're going with the Silber Turbos 858 turbo kit here. It's an incredible unit. As you see it down there, it's well packaged, it's all put together. Everything is clamped in alignment. You get a full kit, you get all the couplers, you get an instruction manual, you get everything you need to go ahead and throw that thing into here. And along with that, we're gonna be working with Will at Velocity Sled Performance on the tuning side, getting this thing all dialed in, ready to go, and making some steam. So with everything here thrown into this thing, We're really hoping to make kind of the ultimate Catalyst, Vermont, Canada, all around New England sled. And yeah, we're just really excited. I really appreciate Tyler giving me the opportunity to work with all the channel partners here and all the people that are coming on board to help do this project. And just thankfully, he's willing to let me tackle this big project, right? So that's really cool of him. It's really cool for me to get to do this. And I'm excited. I don't really know how else to put it out there other than I'm pumped to dig into this thing. So again, it's Thanksgiving Day. Tomorrow, Friday, Black Friday, whatever, I'm gonna get started on the belt drive. And yeah, hopefully that video will be out sometime in the next several days. You know, I don't wanna make you wait too long, but I wanted to get this out there and kind of drive up some interest in that, get the word spread, get things going around that we're doing some crazy stuff here. So if you're interested, it would be really awesome if you guys could, you know, throw the video a like, maybe do a subscribe. I hate doing the self-promoting thing like this, but the algorithm has been really difficult this year. So trying to get that out there. Anything you guys can do to help, you know, spread the word on this project would be greatly appreciated, but I'm gonna do it either way. So if that's something you're looking forward to, make sure you keep checking the channel. But until then, have a great holiday, enjoy the time, friends and family, relax, all that stuff. And in the next video, we'll get into it.
Gussie, what are you doing? You snoozing? You snoozing, buddy?